In today's video, I'm going to teach you restrict line drawing to vertical and horizontal in AutoCAD. If you've ever tried to draw a perfectly straight wall, column line, or section cut and ended up with a tiny angle error, this is for you. AutoCAD has a built-in feature called Ortho Mode that locks your cursor to the horizontal and vertical axes, so your lines travel only at 90-degree angles. It's fast to use, easy to toggle, and essential for clean, accurate drafting. There are two simple ways to turn Ortho Mode on and off. The quickest is with the keyboard. Press F8 to toggle Ortho Mode. One press turns it on, another press turns it off. You can do this even while a command is active, which makes it perfect for switching on the fly. When Ortho is active, you'll notice your cursor movement is constrained. Start a line, move your mouse, and it will track either straight left and right or straight up and down. That means your lengths and alignments stay consistent without the need to type angles or worry about snap settings. The second way is through the status bar at the bottom right of your AutoCAD window. Look for the icon that resembles a right angle. It's labeled Restrict Cursor Orthogonally. Click it once to enable Ortho Mode and click it again to disable it. The icon highlights when it's active, so you always have a visual cue. This is helpful if you prefer clicking over using a keyboard shortcut or if you want to quickly confirm whether Ortho is currently turned on. With Ortho Mode enabled, your line drawing is restricted to strictly horizontal or vertical directions. This keeps geometry tidy, avoids accidental slants, and helps maintain accurate relationships between objects. If you try to move your cursor diagonally, it won't follow. It will snap to the nearest orthogonal direction. When you need a diagonal or angled segment, simply toggle Ortho off with F8 or by clicking the icon. Place that segment, and then turn Ortho back on to continue with straight runs. A few practical tips as you work. Watch the status bar to confirm Ortho's state before committing to a click. Develop the habit of tapping F8 mid-command whenever you need to change direction control, and remember that Ortho affects cursor movement globally, not just the line tool, so it's useful for moving, copying, and offsetting elements in perfectly straight paths. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.